Minim so was a crater.
Yeah,
I said, yeah, mammy Becky.
Yeah,
or there's such a crater. We can cut them in for 1 year, man.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
my main kind.
Yeah,
crater, no. Yeah, I'm saying, Enra. And a better it's from the office of the First Lady. Statement from the First Lady of the Republic, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, on the recommendations of the committee established pursuant to Article 71 of the Constitution. Now, Carter said the attention of the First Lady of the Republic, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, has been drawn to the recommendations of the committee established pursuant to Article 71 of the Constitution, the Professor Ya Intiamwa Bedu Committee, which, among other things, seek to regularize the payment of allowances to spouses of the current president and the vice president, former heads of states, presidents and vice presidents, respectively, as part of the privileges due the president and vice president under Article 71 of the Constitution. The First Lady has taken note of ongoing conversation in the nation following on from these recommendations and their bipartisan approval by Parliament, as mandated by the Constitution as the body which approves the emolument of the executive. It is important to state that payment of such allowances existed and was made to previous First Ladies in the course of the Fourth Republic prior to Mrs. Akufo-Addo becoming the First Lady. Mrs. Akufo-Addo did not request to be paid any allowance. She only received that which existed and attached to her status, albeit informally. That notwithstanding, the public discussion has been laced with some extremely negative opinions, in some cases which she finds distasteful, seeking to portray her as a venal, self-serving and self-centered woman who does not care about the plight of the ordinary Ghanaian. In view of this, the First Lady, in consultation with the President of the Republic, has decided to refund all monies paid to her as allowances from the date of the President's assumption of office, i.e. from January 2017 to date, amounting to 899,099 Ghana cedis, 84 pesos. And Katano also can't say, okay. The First Lady has also decided not to accept any monies that have been allocated to be paid her pursuant to the recommendations of the Intiamwa Bedu Committee as approved by Parliament. She's doing this as a purely personal decision without prejudice to the rights of others and not to undermine the propriety of the process undertaken by Parliament. The First Lady does not want these matters to serve as a distraction from the good work that the President, who is currently touring the Savannah and Upper West regions, is doing to develop the dear nation. The First Lady will continue to support the President as she has always done in the execution of the mandate entrusted in him by the good people of Ghana. Signed, Koko Blebo, Director of Communications, Office of the First Lady. Babra.
It was it was very unnecessary.
Oh,
I don't know. One fan also said, "Car biya Ghana car, advanced team biya or kobe biya, pussy phone soldier for mobile home. I don't want to withdraw all those services."
Okay.
Omanhene. Hold on. If you are a leader, you don't easily fall for what you call pressure. Now, and the pressure then going to decision can you take your Ghana? Yes, see, your platform to make my related to conversation I have here. I don't want to know about others. In any case, on one letter, no, what admit to say a idea at the ho dada.
Yeah,
and you no,
na pencil.
Nti ye krano ye pensa chira de bia da because ye mra kuni na nkasa no. As I say, I call back to your mra kuni no. A lot of lapses from mra kuni ma. As I say, I call shemu kina. Emi ya hutoye. You can talk about the ye kuni ye ko as a result of the mra kuni no ama ho kwan. Do na ye ko asoman bra ye bre asoman. There are a lot of challenges with the Constitution of Ghana. Emrani bi wo atwam. Emrani bi wo say ye fixing mra na nkasa. It ye to ye nkomo no so no. Ye nkomo ye di ni say ebra ye wom wo man Ghana yi mabuna adwuma ho asem enye adwuma ketwa sikasem enye adwuma ketwa other opportunities sese nipa bi nyatim de konkan no enye easy ye de ne say ye nim say informal at the right time there will be a conversation will be whether to formalize or whatever it mun koso njim allowance nemo si ebe je brasa si brakas yen tua mo ka no Ghana and design KPIs bi amamuntia ye de yen hweso se mfantua mo ka anybody who attains the status of a first lady whether upe o umpe o oman no ewo a certain responsibility if you withdrawing this service e dey ma no allowance e dey ma no enya won fom so ye ne e dey ma o twe won afim no there are other privileges that you are enjoying. Are you also withdrawing from those?
No, reading the
please. What the boy from Natra?
No, but she has stated it's without prejudice. No, and she says that please discourse around discourse.
I'm saying that he's not bigger than the president of the land. No, sebi na banka me no nanado. Jebet market size nanado.
Jim FM.
Enya sem na ba me no jebet market size John. These two excellencies.
No, but Kwabena.
Hold on. Yes, it's because they have the office of a public office. Akwanya abeda omo kakra because so obeso omo man. Eti ade bi o ha no mo nya adwene whether papa or boni o. Yetimi kire ya adwene. In the normal sense of normal, you think that it is easy, even Danado or Jomama in his normal life, for some of us to get access to him? It is not. What about public office? They said they will CJ. They said me Omanhene. People are interested in the things I do beyond radio. Me yere, me ma, me juma, me movement. Why? And how did you a trouble background? Every spotlight is on why?
Yeah.
Are you not a normal human being? They give you a certain reference. Some of us can any genesis or sompo. So ni bofu asene na hi. Because so the tutu ho ampa sebi mekawa all the first ladies. Mi hu obi a sebi one breast. No yeah ni pehunu bia keke. Na okunu kra be du ho no. Or chiwa to aso amwako. Definitely no. Every first or second lady and yet any ordinary person share emisata ye mami Lodina share Nadu Mills share Auntie Teresa obia de no kura answer ni kunu eba betra sa akonya so it clearly see I can say be distasteful but position awo no any sen ko two for they were dwane from my mu dadado sebi and I'm paying na gaza ko japunya no ko.
No, but
once you rise to a certain once you rise to a certain position in life, you should admit that me can say okunu eba president no. You knew the pluses and the minuses.
Personally, I feel that the first lady has done the honorable thing.
No, but what is honorable about what he has done? Also, dim de kase honorable. Obi ejina asema wakeka so. Obi ejina asema what the first lady has done. So we can't tell the first lady that allowance now allowance by enya ketuama. I don't know tititi so opese be ba tititi nyina no. So me ba tititi nyina no opese. No chilesa ompa. Oba no from day one. Whether allowance or salary or committee was recommending no. Kababaka say there be.
Na tititi na ho masebe.
Oh yeah nyina.
Yeah,
exactly no. And as anko nyina.
Tititi na ho masebe.
She feels that and come on it's even affecting.
I'm saying that as we speak now. As we speak now. Allowances are part of the privileges that the first ladies of this country they enjoy.
Yeah.
As we speak now, it is not only allowances, they enjoy other privileges. And I'm anything about there's an advanced team. No, I'll bring him sebi. For now, advanced team no.
There's a state in Diamano.
So what are we discussing here? Nibu na fu na samnya ni ya. Oh, please. Ada TJ. Ye nim kwa ni pa fa so mu for he. Mama ka CJ nkoma ye a simple. Nkoma na ye di on this monuments and there's it's where from this. In painful bube. In the heat of things you don't take a decision. If you want to me can't say or the akoma panity or the yaudie ɔde abufuo asɛm yɛ ne hi